Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing display. Now select styles over here and pick one of those themes, like Bloom. Then select apply and as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also go into the same settings, but this time swipe to the right and tap on this plus icon. Now you can select your phone style. Remember to select next after each step. Pick colors of icons in your tap menu, shape of them, and layout. Finally, name your theme however you wish to and tap on next. Then select apply and as you can see, theme of my device has changed again. If you wish to go back into the default one though, you can do that by tapping on display, choosing styles and going with Moto theme. If you wish to delete one of your created themes, you need to tap on the one that you just created, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, click on the bin one at the top right corner and tap on delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!